Squadhelp is a platform that claims you can earn up to $300 by just coming up with name ideas and logo designs for companies. The question now is Squadhelp a scam or it's really a legit and great platform? In this video, I'll be sharing with you all the details about Squadhelp and how to use it if you choose, so you can find out for yourself if it's a good option for you to make money online or not. All that and much more coming up. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and let me just start by clarifying the question on whether Squadhelp is a scam or not. Judging from the reviews of those spending money on the platform, it's hard not to think it's a legit platform and does what it claims. However, this does not necessarily mean it's a good option for you, because it's honestly not a platform for everyone, so you need to know what to expect and who it's for before joining. Now, if you are new to this channel and you are interested in tips on making money online, especially with videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Squadhelp is a legit platform, as I've already mentioned, where you can potentially earn if you are creative and win contests by coming up with names, slogans, or logos for companies. If you're a creative person and you are good at it, Squadhelp can be actually a fun platform and you can win great awards on the platform, but you have to understand that there are no guarantees. The truth is, there is a lot of competition on the platform. You will compete against hundreds of other submissions for each contest. So the main thing to consider before joining Squadhelp is how skilled you are and if you can win several contests. If not, in my opinion, you should start thinking of finding other ways to earn money online instead. Now, there are two ways of using Squadhelp, either as a freelancer looking for ways to earn money or as a company looking for help on their logos or names. I'll mainly be focusing on creatives or freelancers in this video, so you can see if it's a good option for you to earn some extra money. However, if you're a business owner wondering if it's worth using Squadhelp, then you have to keep watching this video, because you have to first understand exactly how the platform works. In a nutshell, here is how you as a creative or a freelancer can make money on this platform. Now, first you want to sign up on the platform. After signing up, you will be redirected to the dashboard. Here, you want to first connect your PayPal or your Pioneer account so you get paid directly to your account. To do that, click on the My Accounts tab on the left and select Account Details. Next is choosing your payment method and following the on-screen steps. Once you're done with all that, next is choosing a contest to participate on and submit your ideas for company name, tagline, or logo. The contest holder will then rate your ideas and offer feedbacks. Now, if your idea happens to be the one selected by the company, you will win a cash prize, and that's it. Let's now look at the different ways of earning money as a creative on Squadhelp. The first way of earning on the Squadhelp platform is through name contests. New contests are added every day, so there is plenty to choose from. On the overview, you can easily see the contest listed, how much the potential reward will be, how many entries are already in the contest, when the contest will end, and more. Now, as a new member, the site will assign you with just 2 contests that you can participate in, but you get full access to the site and start participating in all the contests on the site as soon as you start earning likes from the name ideas you submit on the platform. So you want to make sure to put an effort from the beginning, because that will affect your chances of getting access to more contests. The platform also uses percentage ranking score, which is based on how you have done in the previous contest. The higher your score, the more entries you are allowed to submit, and the higher your chances of potentially winning. So now, how do you come up with the names to use in the contest that you choose to join? Well, you can start by going through the collection of winning names from the Squadhelp past name contest, as well as names for sale in their marketplace. Another way is by using the free business name generator tool that will help you generate words that communicate value, feelings, emotions, strength, or uniqueness of the business you choose in your contest. To enter a contest, simply click on the contest title and Squadhelp will redirect you to this page where you can see a brief overview of what the business owner wants and expects from you. Now, the second way of making money from Squadhelp is by designing logos for businesses. If you are good at designing, you can also participate in logo contests. They work very much the same as in naming contests. Once you are inside, you can get an overview of the different types of contests. However, you need to first send examples of previous designs to Squadhelp to be approved. So if you are a new graphic designer on this platform, for example, and you don't have any previous work yet, you will not be able to get access to this contest. You should also be aware that from what I'm seeing is quite a lot of contests are only for what is called Tier A members. That means to get into the contest is only by invitation, and the invitation is open only to those who have previously won contests on Squadhelp or have demonstrated a consistent pattern of high quality score. Now, how do you go about searching an entry to submit on Squadhelp contests? To get started, you need to go to Active Contest section and click on All. Then on the left side here, you want to filter your contest result by selecting the industry and the type of contest you want to participate on. You can also select the status of the contest and the payout amount, and then you want to scroll down all the way to the Other Options section. Here, as a beginner, you can select the Not Participated by Me option, as well as a non-Tier A contest to display the active contest together with the payout. You can go all the way above 300 if that's what you want. Here you can see the different projects where people are looking for names and taglines for their businesses, and they are willing to pay up to $100, $200, and even $300 for a single project. Here you can also easily see the number of entries, which is the number of people who have entered the contest, as well as the number of days left for the contest to be over. Now, other ways of making money on this platform is by selling old domains or purchasing some good domains and selling them on the platform. So that's it. Personally, I think Squadhelp can be a really fun platform if you're creative and you really know what you're doing. But the biggest drawback trying to make money on this platform is that there is no guarantee you'll ever make anything substantial. There is a lot of competition on the platform. I mean, you'll be competing all the time against hundreds of other submissions for each contest. So you can potentially end up wasting a lot of time without getting paid. Again, like I already mentioned at the beginning of this video, what you might want to consider before joining Squadhelp is how skilled you are and if you think you can win several contests. If not, you should start finding other ways to earn online instead, in my opinion. Now, if you have any comments, questions, or you've had experience using Squadhelp yourself, I would love to hear from you in the comments area below this video. And with all that, I'll call this a wrap. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.